A very good morning, dear students. So here is question 6 of exercise 8.2. It says, show that the line segments joining the midpoints of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. It means we have quadrilateral and we have to show that the line segments joining the midpoints of opposite side. So solution is, first of all, let I am taking a quadrilateral ABCD. It is the quadrilateral ABCD. Now the line segment by joining the midpoint of opposite side. It means AB and CD are opposite side. Let P be the midpoint of AB. This is the midpoint of BC. This is the midpoint of CD. And S is the midpoint of AD. Now we have to join the midpoint of opposite side. It means we have to join PR and we have to join QS. Now what do we have to show? We have to show that they bisect each other. It means if their point of intersection is O, it means we have to show that OP is equal to OR, OS is equal to OQ. We have to show this thing. Now what is the logic behind this? First of all, if I join PQ, RS, okay, if I am joining the midpoints of all the side, I get a quadrilateral PQRS. So by joining the midpoints, I am getting quadrilateral PQRS, and SQ and PR are the diagonals of quadrilateral PQRS. It means we have to show that diagonals of quadrilateral PQRS are bisecting each other. And I think you have recalled that theorem that if there is a parallelogram, then diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. It means for proving that they bisect each other, if I am able to prove that PQRS is a parallelogram, then we are done with our proof. So first task is to prove PQRS is a parallelogram. Now, how can I show that it is a parallelogram? There are so many properties that I can use. If I am able to show that PQ and SR are parallel, PS and RQ are parallel, then it is done. Or if I am able to prove PQ and SR are parallel as well as equal, then I am able to do that PQRS is a parallelogram. First of all, see, let I join BD, diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD. Let join B and D. Then see very carefully, in triangle ABD, see very carefully this triangle ABD. P is the midpoint of AB, P is midpoint of AB, and S is the midpoint of AD. And what was the midpoint theorem? By midpoint theorem, the line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. So, can you say it implies by midpoint theorem, MPT, I am writing the short form, by midpoint theorem, PS will be parallel to BD. Very good. Similarly, you can say in triangle BCD. Now I am taking this triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, we have Q is the midpoint of BC. R is midpoint of DC. It means the line segment joining Q and R, that is RQ, is parallel to third side, which is BD. Now this is equation first and this is equation 2. So we are getting from equation 1 and from equation 2, from equation 1 and 2, what are we getting? We are getting PS is parallel to BD, RQ is parallel to BD. It means these two lines are parallel to same line. It means they are parallel to each other. So can we write, yes, PS is parallel to RQ. That is, one pair of quadrilateral PQRS is parallel to each other. Now I know that you can easily prove that other pair of quadrilateral PQRS will be parallel. How? You can join AC. If you are joining AC, then see this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC. Then by midpoint theorem, PQ will be parallel to AC. Similarly, in triangle ACD, S is the midpoint of AD, R is the midpoint of CD. It implies SR will be parallel to AC. So I am writing, in first of all you will take triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, P is midpoint of AB. Second thing is Q is midpoint of BC. Then by midpoint theorem, can we write PQ will be parallel to AC? Yes, this is equation third. Similarly, when you are going to take triangle ADC, second triangle is in triangle ADC, S is the midpoint of AD, S is midpoint of AD, R is midpoint of CD. Then by midpoint theorem, MPT, can you say SR will be parallel to AC? Yes, this is equation 4th. Now, from equation 3rd and 4th, we are getting PQ is parallel to SR. From equation 3 and 4, what are we getting? We are getting PQ and SR both are parallel. So, you are getting PQ is parallel to SR, PS is parallel to QR. It means both pair of opposite sides are parallel. And if both pair of opposite sides are parallel, it means PQRS is a parallelogram. And when there is a parallelogram given, then it implies diagonals of parallelogram bisects each other. And what are the diagonals of parallelogram? Diagonals are, first diagonal is, it implies PR and SQ bisects each other. And if they are bisecting each other, what do you mean by this statement? They are bisecting each other means OP is equal to OR and OQ is equal to OS. And hence proved. We are done with our proof that the line segment joining the midpoints of opposite sides are bisecting each other. This is question 6 of exercise 8.2.